So over here, you can see that on the top, on the toolbar area, refresh and more is an option right here. And if I were to go around, open up any email, then you can see that everything is represented by an icon. But sometimes you may be confused with what icon represents what. And in that case, you can go around and turn it into text as well. So to do that, you need to go around under settings and click on CL settings right here. And then around over here, you can go around on to, let's say, button labels, and then click on text instead. So once you do that and click on save changes right here, you can see refresh and more right here. And then if I were to go around onto any email, you can see that everything is represented by text instead. So this makes it less confusing, especially if you're new to Gmail. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, show the icons again. So I can change the button labels to icons and then click save changes. And once I do that, you can see that it changes back to button once more. And that is how you can go around and change out the button labels in Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.